For those who are my subscribers, thank you guys for watching my videos. I'm so happy to see you. I hope you guys having a wonderful day. Today's video is going to be another real-time Louis Vuitton unboxing. I'm gonna be unboxing a newer style Louis Vuitton Neverfull in Empreinte leather. As soon as I saw this purse popped out as available on Louis Vuitton website, I immediately placed the order. I think everything went smooth. I was able to buy the purse right away. I received the package about 3 weeks ago. I know it's crazy. I should have opened right away, but I didn't want to spoil the true unboxing. So yeah, I waited patiently, and I was busy. I didn't have time. So yeah, today is the day to do the real-time unboxing. I am happy. I'm so excited to see the bag in person because I haven't seen this bad boy in person, only online. And at the same time, I'm a little bit nervous because I've heard people complaining about quality control, like the flower pattern didn't match on the sides of the purse, and also the made in tag was missing, like what country the bag is made in, like Italy, France, or USA. So it was no tag. So let's hope that the purse will be perfect. There will be no issues, no quality control issues, and so without any further ado, let's jump right into the unboxing. This is the bag. First of all, I'm gonna examine the flower pattern, if it is aligned. So this side is pretty much aligned. I don't see any issues going on. Let's check out the opposite side. So I don't know if you guys can see, it's a little bit off. See, it's not aligned perfectly. So I don't know how it's supposed to be. Basically, it is the same old Neverfull. It features embossed cowhide leather, and the handles are also made of cowhide leather, as well as the cinchers and the elements inside of the purse. The purse features microfiber lining. It's an eggplant / brownish color. Gorgeous. The purse features gold hardware, but it's not like screaming. It's not like super yellow. It's kind of like subtle. Also, there is a big pocket. Big zipped pocket, very convenient, and the lining of the pocket, it's also made of microfiber. So the bag comes with this attachable, detachable pouch. So the pouch is also made of embossed Empreinte leather, and it features gold hardware and microfiber lining. And yes, and it's detachable. There is a D-ring attached right here. It's very soft leather with embossed monogram icons. So it's embossed on both sides, this and the other side. The bottom is embossed with little logos and LV. This particular Neverfull Empreinte leather is made either in France, Spain, Italy, or in the USA. Yeah, so right here, I don't know if you can see, it says made in France. Yeah, so I don't know if I should be jumping out of my chair. I have no idea. I don't mind if the bag is made in other countries, especially if it's made in USA. I don't know, I'm proud of it. I think it's great. But I guess for some people it's very important if the bag is made in France. But at least I have this label. Yeah, that's the bag. Yeah, Neverfull in embossed monogram Empreinte leather, and the color is turtle dove. Like overall, the bag is definitely high-end. It's a luxury bag. It has a luxury look and luxury feel. The quality is there. Obviously, it's 100% leather. Yeah, well, I love the fact that it has microfiber lining. I absolutely love this. It's just adds kind of like a luxury, like luxurious feel to it. Honestly, I don't like textile lining. I think it's it looks kind of cheap, and I don't know. Well, anyways, I'm so happy that this purse has microfiber lining, and I love the hardware. I love the fact that it's not screaming Louis Vuitton. So yeah, like for example, this one is obviously LV print going on everywhere. So it's definitely a statement. It's definitely a screaming Louis Vuitton bag. This one is kind of subtle, classy. I think this purse is fairly priced. It's a great value. It's like $22.60. And if you think about other Louis Vuitton limited edition Neverfulls, like for example this one, Escal, from the Escal collection, that one was like less than $100 difference. So that was like just slightly less expensive than this one. And obviously this is canvas with vachetta elements like cinchers, trim, and handles, and some elements inside of the purse. This is 100% leather, so yes, I believe it's fairly priced, but I mean, the price point for Louis Vuitton is obviously high. As far as the alignment, like this flower pattern alignment, does it bother me? I don't know. Honestly, I wouldn't even pay attention. Yeah, so like I said earlier, this side is perfectly aligned. There is no issues going on. However, this side is not perfectly aligned. There is like a tad of a difference, and I wouldn't even pay attention to this had I not watched the video on YouTube. Like somebody was complaining about this alignment. I don't know if I should address this issue to Louis Vuitton. Well, the thing is that this purse is not available anymore. I don't know, maybe you can, maybe if you call customer service, you can get this purse, but I don't know, like online, it's not available. I would say that the handles bother me more than this, alignment situation, because they are kind of rough and, kind of scratchy. They're not soft enough. I don't know, maybe I'm a princess on the pea, but it's kind of, I don't feel soft. Like, for example, these, they're also kind of thick and more sturdy, but they're so soft. I didn't have any issues with the handles on my Escal collection Neverfull. Yeah, I don't know, this is the only issue that I would point out. I don't know if anybody out there shares my concern, but yeah, this is it. I have only a couple of days left to make my decision whether I should keep the purse or It's not my cup of tea. Yeah, so I don't know yet. I really don't. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!